Hi foodie friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you were to ask me what the best smell in the world is, I would have to say freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. So today, I'm going to be walking you through my favorite chocolate chip recipe, cookies stuffed with chocolate chunks, fresh walnuts, and super crispy on the outside and super gooey on the inside. But before we get started, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you would like to see more of my recipe videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. If you have any suggestions on what I should make in my next videos, comment them down below. Now, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of melted butter cooled down to room temperature, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. On the left we have half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and on the right we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For this recipe, we're only going to need 1 egg. For mix-ins today, I'm using milk chocolate chunks, but feel free to use chocolate chips. And I'm also adding in some walnuts, but you can also omit these if you have a nut allergy or don't like nuts in your cookies. So we're going to start with our wet mixture. In a large bowl, add in your melted butter, followed by your white sugar, your brown sugar, the vanilla extract, and lastly your 1 egg. Now give these ingredients a good mix until they're all incorporated. Your mixture will be done once it has this ribbon-like consistency. And that is it for our wet mixture. We can go ahead and set this aside. Now for our dry ingredients, go ahead and take your flour and mix in your salt and baking soda. Now we are going to gradually add in our dry ingredients into our butter mixture. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are incorporated and you can no longer see flour in the bowl. Once your cookie dough forms, it's time to add in your mix-ins. You'll notice that it may be a bit of a workout to get all of your mix-ins incorporated into your cookie dough, but trust me, just keep working at it. So now we're gonna be scooping our cookie dough balls onto our baking tray, and I'm using my large ice cream scooper here because go big or go home, right? I'm placing the cookie dough balls about 2 inches apart from each other, and on one baking tray I can bake about 6 at a time. This recipe will make about 12 large cookies. Okay, can we just admire how amazing those chocolate chunks look for a minute? Oh my goodness. Once the cookies have baked, transfer them onto a cooling rack for 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy! Just look at how gorgeous these cookies are. They are so soft and chewy on the inside. I swear this is the only chocolate chip cookie recipe you're ever going to need. They come out perfect every single time. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.